The world's biggest cargo planes and best humanitarian teams come and go here at the Mactan Air Base in Cebu, the hub of relief operations in the Visayas. More than a week after Super Typhoon Haiyan, the international community is working with the Philippine government to quicken the pace of aid in key areas like Tacloban and Diwan and bring much-needed food, water, and medical care to the hardest-hit areas. They're bringing back with them survivors who seek refuge here in Cebu after losing their homes and loved ones in the disaster. But the big question now is what life awaits them in the hard months ahead.
They have a very good reason to go back home to Tacloban because either they have family there or their roots there, and that's the Filipino in us, diba? The idea is temporarily they are here and eventually they will go back, and with the kind of rebuilding and the activity of rebuilding the devastated areas are concerned, we're almost sure they will go back.
Sa Maynila muna, and then after, pag okay na yung Tacloban, babalik kami ng Tacloban.
So gusto niya pa kung bumalik?
Yes, kasi doon talaga yung pinaka-hometown namin, Tacloban talaga. Nawasak man niya yun, babayo niya sa bandang ulo.
So babalik pa rin?
Babalik pa rin kami, doon kami na ninirahan, doon yung ano namin, kinabubuhay.
But not all of Leyta's residents want to return home. For them, home means a better life for their children, and that's not where they came from.
Kahit yung bahay namin, kahit isang wala na ka nang nakikita. Puro nabuhangin yung bahay namin.
Kaya lumuwas na lang kayo?
Opo. Kawawa naman yung mga bata. Ay, wala naman akong pinili. Ang gusto ko lang ligtas yung mga anak ko sa tubig. Kasi, mabaho pa sa Tacloban. Mabaho. Tapos, wala pa kami tinitirahan. Maganda na yung linikas na kami muna.
As the Philippine government continues to strive bringing relief to the 9.8 million people affected, it also has to start helping prepare a fresh start for its people who nearly lost everything. Ay Macraig, Rappler, Cebu.